Hello guys, I'm Kiri. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna talk about this beautiful Audi Sport Quattro. Was in production in 1984, 1985 and very early 1986. Just 214 were made, but 164 of them were sold to the customers. And it came for the Rally Group B. Audi was already successful in the World Rally Championship with the model Audi Quattro Coupe, which came in 1980. But in 1984, Group B with the no restrictions on the boost was introduced and very specially prepared cars were entered. Season 1984, there were too many rivals from everywhere. Lancia already had the model 037 and then the monster Lancia Delta S4. Even Ferrari was there with the Michelotto prepared Ferrari 308 Rally, but the new Ferrari model, Ferrari 288 GTO, just was ready to come. Porsche with 959, Renault 5 Turbo Maxi, Peugeot 205 Turbo 16 with the engine on the back, Toyota Celica Turbo, Nissan 240 RS, the very well-known Ford RS 200, MG Metro 6R4, even the Citroën BX was ready to compete in the Rally Group B, and many others. So the old Audi Coupe Quattro was in danger. From the Audi office decided to build Group B car on the Audi Quattro Coupe chassis. And the result was Audi Sport Quattro, or for the rallies known as Audi Quattro S1. What they did? They shortened the wheelbase to the standard Audi Coupe Quattro and actually modified all the car. The body panels, the frame, the stiffness of the car, the suspension, the gearbox, and of course the engine. The engine was on the same base, 5-cylinder inline, 2.1 liter, but the materials and the turbo were different. So the result, more than 500 horsepower, even much more for the rally. But to homologate this new model, new because of the new chassis, they needed to produce minimum 200 road legal cars. One of these cars today is here. This red monster, 100% original, 35 years old, which looks like new, and is in perfect condition. And how I said before, this was in production in 1984, 85 and very early 1986, and just 214 were made in total. One more time I'm gonna say just 164 of them were sold to the customers. So the rest of them they've been using for rally. The engine is 5-cylinder inline 2.1 liter, turbocharged of course, and 300 horsepower, 1984, a road legal car, 300 horsepower, 348 Newton meter of torque, with monster, very big intercooler on the front of the grille, exactly behind this grille, behind the emblem Audi, between the lights, because the normal radiator for the engine cooler is little bit on the side, on the left side of the car, so the intercooler is exactly behind the grille. The first time the car was presented at the 1983 Frankfurt Motor Show, but was very expensive back then, but even today, even is more expensive. The prices are going up to 600,000 pounds, but don't forget Audi's legend in the motorsport was unbeatable for many years, so the car is coming with lots of heritage, lots of winning pedigree and history. Just for reference, I will say the same era Citroën BX Rally, a road-going car, is cost around 50-70,000 pounds, but this Audi is cost 10 times more than the Citroën BX, but just because of the pedigree and the winning history. And again, how I said before, they cut to the wheelbase 320 millimeters from the normal Audis, the standard Audi Coupe Quattro, to make the car more lighter and more nimble. The car is with 15-inch alloy wheels. The tires, these particular tires on these cars, they are 225 2015, they're Pirelli P0 Asymmetrico. The suspension are Bilstein adjustable suspension. The track is wider than the standard Audi Quattro. And all the panels, they were made from very light material, fiberglass. So the fenders, the bonnet, the boot, even the roof, so entire car outside, except the doors, is made from fiberglass. Just the doors are made from steel. So because the fiberglass is very light material, and they want, of course, for the rally light car, so they made, I'm gonna say again, the fenders, the boot, the bonnet, the bumpers, of course, and the roof as well. The roof they made from fiberglass. The interior is perfect. The seats are Recaro, but the rear ones are useless because of the wheelbase, so it's so short and you cannot use the rear seats. And the materials are very high quality. Even you can see something from Volkswagen Golf 2 GTI, the gear stick and some details. The option was air condition and radio, so the car was coming standard with no air condition and no radio. You can order this one like an option. So this was the Audi Sport Quattro. Just have a look from this view with these fenders, the extended fenders. This was introduced for the first time from Audi, of course, Coupe Quattro in 1980 with this new model fenders, and then BMW 1984-85 copied them and they put them on the new model BMW M3 E30. So M3 has the same fenders like Audi Coupe Quattro. And then Lotus XL, they changed the fenders to this model, 1985. So this was the new, something new on that era for the sport cars. But the car is absolutely perfect. Even on the bonnet you can see the grills on the front, they are for ventilation for the engine. And the grill, of course, is very big, and lots of grills actually on the bumper as well, grills under the bumper, lots of grills. How I said, the wheels are alloy wheels, 15-inch, the tires 225 50 by 15. Just have a look from this view, the car looks absolutely wide, very wide, but it's very high as well because the car is made for a rally, it's not made for the track, it's made for rally. Absolutely perfectly made German car. And every detail actually is very perfect. It's not only monster car, how you can see. Yeah, it's very powerful, but the details they make every detail with lots of attention. How you can see the grille, even the grille between the lights, the grille on the bumper, the grille under the bumper. Everything is very nicely, very fine made. Absolutely perfect. Even the grills you can see on the bonnet, they're fantastically made, absolutely nicely made. This is absolutely German precision engineering. The tires, Pirelli P0 Asymmetrico, absolutely perfect. Just have a look the fenders, how wide the car looks. So guys, I hope you liked the video about this fantastic Audi Sport Quattro. Please subscribe my channel and see you next time guys. Bye!